Back to the blend. You're not a fan of braces? Well, many aren't, and there's a new technology changing how long you have to wear them to get the smile you want.
Joining us with more is Dr. Joe Willardson and Dr. Clark Cressman of True Dentistry. Good morning to both of you.
Hello,
welcome.
Joe.
Good morning.
Thank you.
Dr. Willardson, let's start with you. You've often said that a smile is more than just having straight, white teeth. What exactly do you mean by that?
Well, the way that the teeth function and the way that they come together is a huge part of having a good smile.
Yeah.
For example, I had braces as a kid. My teeth are straight, but my bite wasn't set up right, and so now things are starting to wear down and chip and that sort of thing, and that's a big problem. If the bite isn't there,
It's kind of like inflation on a tire. If you don't have the right inflation, you're going to have certain bad wear on the tire.
that's what I tell my patients. If your car was out of alignment, first the tires will go, and if you don't do anything about that, then the rims and the brakes and everything else.
But the last thing an adult wants to hear is, okay, well, maybe you should have braces, because people think you have to wear braces for 2, 3, 4 years.
Yes, and that's what we want to talk about today. Is there's some new techniques and technologies that we can straighten the teeth within 6 months.
Wow.
So, as you look at this, we have Dr. Cressman here. He does a lot of our ortho in the practice, and you can see the teeth are moving, and this all happens within about 6 months.
Wow.
Dr. Cressman, what are we looking at here?
Well, we use now, the technique has changed so that we take impressions, x-rays, photos beforehand, and we have the lab set up the brackets for us in advance so that when we place the brackets, we put them in the optimized position. It helps to reduce the treatment time for the patient. We get a better result.
And as you know, most patients hate having to wear the braces for so long. They want the perfect teeth as soon as possible, and this gets them there.
No, you're right, and that's the thing, especially with adults. They don't want to go into braces.
Of course.
I mean, that's one of the biggest things is, no, I had braces when I was a kid, I don't want to do this. But as soon as you know that, okay, look, this is only going to take about 6 months to get everything straight and prevent all of that wear and chipping and crowding and all that sort of thing, it's a no-brainer.
It seems like the difference between this is like a 6-month smile, the difference between this and the old school braces were kind of just thrown on the teeth, whereas this takes a look at the exact situation you're looking at and puts it in the optimal position.
Yeah, I mean, definitely orthodontists know what they're doing, and there's a certain need for braces to go longer, but this is a situation where if you're a candidate, this is a great viable solution.
Well, let's talk about people who are candidates for this 6 months smile.
Yes.
Who would be perfect for this?
Actually, we brought an example here where you see this time lapse.
No kidding.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Wow. This kind of looks like the Michael Jackson Scream video back in the day, or black and white. So let's talk about this. What are we looking at with this? Over how much time are we looking?
So, well, patients that have crowded or crooked teeth or have rotations, like you see in that example, are perfect candidates for 6-month smiles.
Wow.
And when they get this done, is it they feel better, they look better, but does it also help with problems they may have been having?
Yeah, exactly, and that's the thing. You know, if your teeth are wearing down and chipping, and if there's an alignment problem, you've already gone beyond that stage of things not being right. And here's the other thing. The braces are clear. They don't have that metal
I was going to say, it doesn't
No
look
more
like
metal mouth.
Yes.
No more metal mouth.
So this
Yeah,
is
see?
really, it's transparent almost. You can't tell.
Yeah, in conversation distance, you really can't tell.
Yeah, it
So
looks
if
great.
somebody's wondering whether or not to pull the trigger on something like this, what questions should they be asking? How do they get in touch with you if they're interested in a smile makeover?
Well, any patient that has, like we say, crowding or chipping or is concerned about wear, they may be a good candidate for 6-month smiles. We just have them contact our office, come in for a consultation, and take a look.
Awesome.
Again, the time period is around 6 months
Around
for
6
this.
months, yeah.
So that's pretty quick.
Awesome.
Because there are other procedures that could take a little longer as well.
Yeah.
So you get almost immediate gratification because it goes by so fast.
Yes.
I know if people want to learn more, they can go to TrueDentistry.com, and I know you have a special offer as well.
Yeah, so any patients from the morning blend that's scheduled by the end of the month are receiving $500 off.
Nice.
Very generous. Yeah,
Like
so
it.
where is your office?
The best way to find us is TrueDentistry.com, but we're on the southwest corner of the 215.
Right.
And a lot of people get a little nervous about going to the doctor, but there are things that you can do to help them calm their nerves, right?
Yes. We have sedation or sleep dentistry. We do everything from my focus is cosmetic dentistry. And so with Dr. Cressman, who does a lot of our orthodontics, he
can do
6
the
months
other,
on, yeah.
the other
And
piece, so you're covered.
If you request, they will sing "Let It Go" to you. As they're doing it.
Dr. Cressman will say.
Thank
Gentlemen,
you.
great job.
Very
Thank
well.
you so
Thank
much.
you. All right, thanks.
True Dentistry is home to both Dr. Willardson and Dr. Cressman. For more on their smile makeovers, just head to the website or call the number listed. Remember, they are offering $500 off a 6-month smile treatment if you schedule by the end of the month.